Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your smartwatch with the FitPro mobile application. Begin by opening your phone's App Store, searching for FitPro, and installing the application onto your device. This crucial first step ensures you have the necessary tool ready for pairing. Having the app pre-installed makes the rest of the process much smoother, providing a solid foundation for connecting your watch successfully. Before initiating the connection, make sure both your smartwatch and phone are properly prepared. Charge your smartwatch to at least 25% battery power. A low battery can interrupt the pairing. Then, go into your phone settings and switch on its Bluetooth feature. Finally, keep both devices close together, within approximately 1 meter, to ensure a stable and successful connection. Now, let's open the FitPro application on your mobile phone. The app might request certain permissions, such as location services, which are essential for its proper functioning. Please grant these when prompted. Next, navigate to the Set or Device tab within the application. From there, look for and tap the option that says Bind Device to experience more features, which will start the search for your smartwatch. After the app displays a list of nearby devices, carefully find and tap on your specific smartwatch model to initiate the pairing. Allow a few moments for the connection to finalize. You'll typically see a confirmation on both your watch and phone. Once successfully connected, take some time to explore the FitPro application. You can now customize your notification preferences, set daily fitness goals, and personalize other exciting features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.